Screening and filtering unknown callers on iPhone. Spam calls in the United States have become increasingly difficult to manage, with many people receiving multiple unknown calls every single day. Fortunately, the iPhone offers a powerful feature that allows you to pre-screen these callers before your phone even rings. This tool forces the caller to state who they are and the reason for their call. Legitimate callers, such as a service professional or a friend using a new number, will typically provide their information. In contrast, automated spam systems or scammers usually remain silent, preventing your phone from ringing and saving you from unnecessary interruptions. To enable this feature, start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone and scrolling down to the Apps section. From there, locate and tap on the Phone app. Within the Phone settings, scroll down to find the option labeled Screen Unknown Callers. If this is set to Never, all unsaved numbers will ring through normally. By switching this setting to Ask Reason for Calling, the iPhone will intercept calls from unsaved numbers and request more information. You will then be able to read a transcript of their response directly on your screen before deciding whether to accept or decline the call. Additionally, users have the option to silence unknown callers entirely or filter them into a specific list. By toggling on the unknown callers filter, these calls are moved to a separate location within your call history. To view these filtered calls, open the Phone app and tap on the Recents tab. By selecting the filter icon at the top right and choosing Unknown Callers, you can see a list of every screened call. This often reveals a long list of identified spam risks, helping you keep your primary call log clean and ensuring that you only interact with legitimate people.